first example regarding projection of pentagonal plane, in which a regular pentagon plane having the side 30 mm resting on HP on one of its corners. The surface of the plane is inclined to HP at 45 degree. Draw the projections of plane when the side opposite to the corner on which it rests, HP, is inclined 30 degree to VP. So first of all, draw one XY line, draw a pentagon. Our first position is when the pentagon plane is exactly on HP, and it is on HP in such a way that one side is perpendicular to VP. So draw a pentagon in which one side is perpendicular to XY line. Size of our hexagon 30 mm. Insert all the corner A, B, C, D, E. Now front view is line because our plane is in HP. Okay, by taking the projections, we will get A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. Now pentagon is resting on one of the corner in HP, so we have to incline the surface by taking A dash on XY because one corner is in HP. And when we incline the surface, our front view is line. The length of this line is also the same length which is here A dash D dash. So take A dash D dash, incline 45 degree and insert another point by taking radius A dash B dash, A dash center and here B dash. So this is front view and surface is inclined to H. Now what will be the top view? By taking the vertical projection lines and horizontal from top view. The intersection of all these lines means the vertical line from A dash and horizontal line from A. So you will get A. Similarly from B dash vertical line, horizontal from B is small b, vertical from C dash D dash and horizontal from CE, C and D is D and last E. So join points with straight line, you will get the top view. Now in this top view, only one side CD will be true length 30 mm and remaining all sides will be reduced. Now the opposite side of the corner which is in HP means the A corner is in HP. So which one is the opposite edge? CD. Now here we want CD is inclined 30 degree to VP. At presently CD is perpendicular to VP, but when we incline 30 degree, what we have to do? We have to copy paste this shape, step number 4, here in such a way that CD will be on 30 degree with X. So first of all, you have to draw one 30 degree incline line. Now put C and D point first. Okay. Then to obtain the remaining point A, B and E, you can use box method or arc method. Means take CE radius from here, take C center here and draw one arc. Here DE radius, D center. So means intersect that previous arc, you will get E point. Similarly, you can take another points and draw a top view. Means the shape of both the top view must be same, but the position of line CD will be different. Now draw the vertical and horizontal line from top view and front view of previous stage, and intersection of all points A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, and join all the points. So we'll get the front view and top view of required conditions of the projection of pentagonal plane. Now hexagon plate 30 mm side is resting on one of its side on HP. The side on which it rests makes an angle 45 degree to VP and the plate makes an angle 30 degree with HP. Draw the projection of plate. So first of all, draw XY line. Draw a regular hexagon 30 mm side in which two sides must be perpendicular to XY line. Give name of corners A, B, C, D, E, F. Take projection on vertical plane, means draw the vertical projection line on XY. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. Join all the front. This is our first step. When the plane is in HP, perpendicular to VP. Now our next stage is always surface inclination with HP. So here in data we have given the plate makes an angle 30 degree. Plate makes an angle means the surface of the plate is inclined 30 degree and one of its side in HP. So which side is in HP? We want AB side is in HP. So first you put A dash B dash anywhere here and draw one line. The length of that line must be this, which must be 30-degree incline. Insert all the points A dash B dash C dash D dash E dash. So this is front view of the surface when surface is inclined to X by 30 degree. Now to obtain its top view, we have to draw vertical projection lines and horizontal from previous top view. The intersection points A, B, C, D, E, F. Join all points. We will get the top view of this hexagon plate. Now in this view, out of 6 lines, only 2 lines will be 30 mm and remaining 4 will be less than 30 mm. So which line measures 30 mm? Here AB and ED. Its top view remain same, means the length of top view 30 mm, but remaining 4 lines, because it is inclined to HP, the length of that 4 lines will be less than 12. Now in our data we want the side on which it rests makes an angle 45 degree to VP. So at presently up to this stage AB is in HP and it makes 90 degree with VP. At presently the AB and XY are perpendicular. But we want this line is inclined at 45 degree. So we have to redraw top view in step number 5 in which AB must be inclined 45 degree. So here AB, FC and ED, all 3 lines are parallel. So if we take FC 45 degree, then there is no problem. So draw one line 45 degree and put FC point on that line, and by using arc method or box method you can redraw this hexagon again. So here you can see AB and FC both are parallel, so the angle of AB is also 45 degree with VP. For front view, draw vertical and horizontal. Obtain point A dash B dash C dash D dash E dash F dash and join with straight line. So the front view and top view of hexagon is an isosceles triangular plate ABC having its base 50 mm and altitude 90 mm resting on HP on its base. The isosceles triangular is inclined at an angle 40 degree to HP. The altitude is inclined at 30 degree to VP. Draw the projections. So draw XY. Now first is put your triangular plate on HP. So its top will be true shape. AB is base and which is 50 mm. OC is altitude which is 90 mm. Here altitude is parallel to vertical plane. Base is perpendicular to vertical plane. And O is always midpoint of AB. Its front view on vertical plane, it is B dash it is. Now the surface of the triangular plane is inclined 40 degree to HP. So redraw this line again keeping A dash B dash on XY and the angle with XY is 40 degree. So this is front view when the surface is inclined to HP. Its top view by taking vertical projection line and horizontal projection line. We'll get A, B, C point join. This is top view. Here in stage 1 OC is 90 mm, but here in stage number 2, the top view OC is less than true length, means less than 90 mm. So your altitude is already inclined 40 degree to HP, and we want altitude is also inclined 30 degree to VP. So for that, draw step number 5 by finding the angle which is known as apparent angle beta. So first of all, draw a line parallel to XY, and from that any point you draw 30-degree inclined line which is C1O. Now this line is true length 90 mm, and on C1 horizontal line, this is loci of C. To obtain point small c, we take O center and this distance top view radius and draw arc point C. Now redraw this figure because OC is available by taking arc method or box method. You can easily draw this triangle ABC. When we extend this altitude, we will get apparent angle beta. Here beta is always greater than 30 degree always. Now to obtain front view, we have to draw vertical and horizontal projection lines A dash, B dash, C dash and join. We will get the final front view and top view of required conditions. Okay, thank you very much.